Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am Hipsa and this is Copywriting with Hipsa. On this channel, I teach copywriting step by step, especially for the beginners who feel confused, overwhelmed, or lost. Today's video is very special because this is our first real class about my core niche. You can think as a first lecture. From now on, we officially start learning copywriting step by step, properly, clearly, without any confusion. In this video, I'm going to explain you what sale page is in a simplest, easiest way, without any jargon, without any big word. If the terms like sales page, landing page confuse you, so this video is for you. When I started learning copywriting, this was my biggest confusion. People kept saying learn copywriting, copywriting is very important and copywriting pays well, but I still felt confused because some talk about home page, service page, about page, and some said about landing page and sales page. Honestly, as a beginner, I was confused. I'm thinking that is the landing page and sales page are the same, are they different? Which one should I learn first? So that's why today we are starting from the basics of sales page. What is a sales page? Sales page has a one purpose: to make someone buy. That's it. Not to educate, not to entertain, not to explain your entire brand. Now let me clearly explain the difference, because that's where a lot of beginner get stuck. A home page is introduction. It tells people who you are, what you do, where they should go next. It's guide, but it doesn't sell deeply. On the other hand, about page is about you. Your journey, your story, your value, and it builds connection, but not sales. And service page explain what you offer, what services you provide, and how someone can work with you. It inform you, but it still doesn't persuade strongly. But the sales page is different. Sales page exists to understand reader's problem, to show the clear solution, and build a trust, remove the doubt, and guide them step by step toward clicking the buy button. Every single line on the sales page has a purpose to keep reader reading and move them closer to decision. If the sentence doesn't help with that, it doesn't belong there. That's exactly I tell beginner. You don't need to learn everything at once. You just need to understand what a sales page is, how it works, and how to write it properly. That's how clarity and confidence come. In the next video, I will explain landing page versus sales page, what's the real difference. And in the video after that, we will start breaking down the element of the sales page step by step, like real class. This channel is not about hype, not about income screenshot. This channel is about real skill and real growth. So if you want to learn copywriting right way, to make sure you subscribe and keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing. I will see you in next class.